Simone from Infotainment.com here with this week's infotainment and automotive industry update for the week of February 17. Polestar, the electric sub-brand of Volvo, is set to debut their new Sensus infotainment system. Sensus is completely Android-based and go beyond many of the capabilities seen in the most current infotainment system, and it includes features such as adjustment of mirrors, seats, climate, and entertainment settings to the driver's personal preferences. Polestar says the next generation will be more smartphone-like. If everything goes according to plan, the complete vehicle environment will automatically adjust to the user's personal preferences and last use applications. Tailored information will be displayed based on the detected driver profile enabled by a Polestar Digital Key, even proactively offering personalized planning according to the driver habits or conditions. Google Assistant will provide more helpful features as a co-pilot while driving by using advanced speech technology to expand to more languages and understand local accent. Entertainment features will also be upgraded. Video streaming from popular apps and services will be made available as a convenient solution for occupants when the vehicle is parked and during charging. Polestar plans to showcase the new system in a press event scheduled for February 25th. While we're on the subject of Android, what about a wireless version of the Android Auto that Google promised about a year ago? Originally, the company said wireless auto capability would be available on any Android 9 or higher phone. Until now, wireless auto only works with Google Pixel devices. Through a support document, the company says some Samsung Galaxy phones are now Android Auto wireless capable. The new wireless compatible models reportedly include the Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, S9, S9 Plus, and the S10 and S10 Plus devices. In order to work, your phone must be running Android Pie or newer with version 4.7 or higher of the Android Auto app. Nissan is stepping into what many believe will be the future of cars: vehicle subscription programs. The program is called Nissan Switch, and the company has started a pilot program in Houston, Texas. The program includes on-demand access to 11 models, including the Altima, Nissan Leaf Plus sedans, Rogue and Pathfinder crossovers, Titan and Frontier pickups, and 370Z and GTR sport cars. The membership costs from $699 to $899 per month and includes unlimited vehicle swaps as often as a vehicle a day. Vehicle delivery, insurance, roadside assistance, and the regular maintenance is a part of the subscription. The subscription program is managed by Clutch Technologies LLC. Clutch hinted more automakers may be offering subscription programs as soon as the next 3 months. We'll update you as more information becomes available. That's our update for this week. To keep up with all the news and updates in the vehicle and infotainment industry, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube at Infotainment.com. And be sure to visit our website at www.infotainment.com. See you next week.